Alright, this is a quick video on how to put trunk support struts on your classic Mustang. This is a 68 Mustang Coupe. First thing you want to do is go and get these 10mm standard ball for a trunk support strut. You get 4 of them, one for the top, one for the bottom on each side. What I did is I took off the torsion rods that were typically there. I removed those because I didn't need the torsion springs. Then you get a 3/16 inch drill bit and you drill a hole in your hinge. 2 inches down is where you want to drill it. Drill a hole approximately in the center of this rib here. Then you put the ball end through so that the male end is sticking out on this side of the hinge. You do that on both sides, approximately 2 inches down and about in the middle of that hinge. This is the more difficult hole to drill. Next, get your trunk support struts and then you can measure them where they need to go. I got these 2 trunk support struts. They are 20-inch long, 30-pound. I found those online. Then you take the strut, you pop it in the knob after you get it in. Then you find out where it fits on this rib. So there's this rib that runs on inside the trunk of these classic Mustangs. I attached it to that rib right there. So what I found was actually there was a hole down here already, and I put the ball end in that hole and it fits right on there. The other side, because it is not perfectly symmetric, what I would recommend is that you put the ball end in the trunk hitch first and then find out where down here your strut lands, because they do not land equally on both sides. So with the trunk fully open, mine landed about 1.5 inches higher passenger side than I did on the driver's side. So I figured that out. I marked it with a piece of chalk. You just go like this, find out where it lands, you mark where you put it, then you drill your hole and install your strut. After you do that, you can remove the wood and it stays open. Go. And when you turn the key, it's a nice little pop and it opens right up and stays open. So there you go, that's what it looks like. And again, these are the struts that I used. Found them online, took about a week and a half delivery. Super easy, you can do it in a quick half hour.